It's a moist, wonderful time of the year. Hello kids and welcome back to my couch show. Today it's December and I am going to talk to an elf.
Jeg blotte en nissemann.
WTF, why are you two colors?
Det noe galt I det?
This is why you don't mix races. Or I mean chocolate.
Jeg altså bare chokolade, du nynazist?
Don't call me that, I am just a lonely guy who hates mixed chocolate.
Mitt ansikt så hvitt at det ikke kan fokusere.
You look like my slave when he kills people.
Han også av chokolade?
No, but I make him wear a white mask so I can lick the blood of. Talking about white, I kill you now. Hehehe, I have so much Christmas fun. Merry Christmas for now, see you soon and remember kids, racist people are just people who are afraid of the dark.